Introducing the HiDock H1E, a game changer for your desktop setup. It's designed for noise-free calls, AI-powered transcription, and 8-port docking station that transforms your workspace. Indulge in premium sound. The HiDock H1E also includes an open-ear headset. Say goodbye to background noise.
Let's start with an introduction to the HiDock brand with keyboard typing and construction noise.
HiDock's bi-directional noise cancellation eliminates distractions from both ends of the call, boosting clarity and transcription accuracy. With the free companion app, you get AI-driven transcription and organized summaries. Use the rich templates to handle your meeting notes effortlessly.